At first, it seemed easy.
Here! Bert's taking the money!
Take the money and drop from the sky. But they forgot that greed grips the mind like a vice,
It's you!
turning the simplest dreams to nightmares.
Coming to get you, Bert, you son of a bitch.
Now it's personal!
They landed in the field of the Scarecrow.
They're just some kind of superstitious things that are used to ward off evil spirits.
Where's Jack?
I fired at this thing, and he just kept coming. Bullets don't stop it. Scarecrows, man! Like humans.
Somebody is trying to scare us out of here.
It's a deadly race in which the hunters and the hunted are destined to become victims. Beware of the Scarecrow. Kill it or become it. Scarecrows, the stuff nightmare